Hello, this is Milt Olson with Manus Technology Systems. We're going to go through the process of creating a route list for the VBox3. This is done by going to the List Update button and selecting the VBox3 list. I usually like to put it in the MTS folder, and within the MTS folder, I like to hit Make New Folder. So we'll do that. The first 5 letters of this folder name need to be VBox3, then we can put anything we want after that. So we'll just call it Milt's route. I like to put a date on it, so we'll do March 2026. And we'll click outside. You see it's highlighted here. We hit OK. If there's any picture files we'd like to go with, we can hit yes there. Note that it completes rather quickly. I'll pull in Windows File Manager here. And we go here, here's VBox3 Milt's route, and this shows us the file list that will then be transferred. This folder will be transferred to the VBox3. And note it's a pretty small department. We've really only got one department here. This folder contains the pictures that are associated with it, and this is the route configuration database file that got moved over. So then we'll go into our VBox3, and I can do that. It's right here. Once we put that folder back in the MTS folder on the VBox3, we can go to Tools, select here. There's Milt's route, shows up in our list. Hit Save Reload, goes through the process. We should be able to select the customer, the route, and we're ready to collect data.